Right, let's see if we can get it flying this time. There, landed in Skylanders. Easy up with chill. There's Slobber Teeth. I know that one. Spyro. Don't know. Eat Teeth Swashbuckler. I don't know. Oh, Ed. I don't know. About a million in there. As you can see, millions upon millions. The Skylander. Oh, my helicopter. That I successfully flew and landed in Skylander land. Maybe I should grow a beard and long hair and I could be Master Eon. Or I could be Master Eon's helper. Would that be good? Might be alright being God's helper. Might not be. But I'd sooner help him than not. So you can see, I can actually fly my helicopters. Yes, I can. I'll be back to normal next week, so don't worry. Until the next update. See you then, my faithful little YouTubers. I will speak to you very soon.